everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method to recover your Snapchat account if you don't have access to your email address or phone number for the recovery. Alright, so in case you have lost access to your Snapchat account and now you don't have your email address or your phone number to recover your password, I will show you how to recover your Snapchat account without using your email address and phone number. Alright, but make sure you need to know your Snapchat username, and if you don't remember your username as well, you can contact any of your Snapchat friends and ask them your username. Alright, so make sure you to keep a note of your Snapchat username, otherwise there will be no way to recover your Snapchat account. So if you are ready with your Snapchat username, let's get started with the recovery process. Alright, so now we will start with the recovery process, but first of all I will show you what happened when I tried to log into my Snapchat account. So I had my username with me, and now when I tried to log into my Snapchat account using the password that I remember, it showed that my password or my username is incorrect, but I am sure that my username is correct, only my password is incorrect. And now to reset the password, I will need the email address or phone number. But in case if you don't have any of these, what you have to do is you have to open a browser on your Android device. Alright, and you just have to go to support.snapchat.com. Alright, now this is the Snapchat support page, and here you have to tap the option contact us. Now here you have to select the issue that you are facing with your Snapchat account. Alright, so I am facing the login issue, so simply select the option my account login. Alright, now they are asking you to give some more information about the problem. So for that you can simply select I forgot my password, I can't sign up, I can't verify my email or mobile number, and so on. So I will simply select I forgot my password, as that is what my case is, and you can also select the option that depends on your situation. Alright, so I'm going to select I forgot my password. Now it is saying that you can reset your password from the Snapchat login screen if you have a verified phone number or email associated with your account. But in case if you don't have this information with you, what you have to do is here you can see need help with something else, so you have to simply tap yes for that. And now here you are asked to enter some information like your username, your email, your mobile number, and what information should we know. Alright, so first of all you simply have to enter your username. So I'm going to enter my username, and then you have to enter the email address, any email address that you can access if you remember, or you can also enter the email address that is associated with your Snapchat account. If you don't remember that address, you can enter any other email address. Alright, and then you have to enter the mobile number that you have with you, that you are using, alright, that you get access. So enter your mobile number, and after that you have to enter the information that you want to provide to Snapchat. Alright, so here you have to enter the issue that you are facing. So I will simply enter that I am not able to log in to my Snapchat account as I have forgot my password. Also, I don't have access to my email address and phone number. Please help me to recover my account, and you can contact me on my email address. So here you can simply enter the email address that you have entered before, alright. So where you can receive emails from Snapchat, alright. And after you have entered the required information about the issue you are facing, simply tap send, alright. So yeah, your message has been sent. Thank you. So yeah, using this method, you can contact Snapchat support team and tell them about the issue you are facing, that you don't have access to your email address and phone number, and they will reply back to you and tell you the recovery steps to be taken to get back your account, alright. So that's the procedure you have to follow when you want to recover your Snapchat account but you don't have your email address or phone number to reset your password. This is the only method that is left for you, alright. And if you are able to get your account back, make sure to update your Snapchat account with your new email address and new phone number, alright, so that it will become easy in the future to reset the password, alright. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any queries or any suggestions for my next video, you can mention that down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.